Hi everyone, today I will be gonna reviewing Minimalist Copper Peptide Plus PDRN Serum. It claims to have sodium DNA, which is PDRN, like salmon, sperm, and hyaluronic acid and niacinamide. So let me tell you one thing, it is for $6.99, like 700 just for a 10 ml product, which is like a lot for me. And you can see it is so tiny. In fact, my pinky finger is also bigger than this bottle. Let me tell you one thing, the price point on which minimalists are selling you guys is insane. Like for 10 ml, who will like gonna purchase? But if you want to try copper peptide, then you can use it as like a trial version on your skin. But yeah, it has like slightish blue color and purplish blue, which I feel like weird because usually copper peptides will have blue tint in it, not bluish purple. So maybe it is for, maybe due to like there's any consistency, you can see. And it is like filled with antioxidant and many more skin needed ingredients. And the important and most like exciting part of this is copper peptide usually present in our skin. It is like a skin food which you will gonna feed to your skin, which is a great thing. And if you are a beginner to like extremely high end or like higher actives, then you must give this a try. Like this is best for all skin types. I have oily skin, like oily combination skin, but during winters due to retinol my skin turned to like very drier or like very flaky skin, because retinol like good for oil controlling. You guys can use this one if you have dry skin also in winters. So it kind of like a retinol, because copper peptide present in it has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, which triggers acne or acne causing bacteria. And it also has some amount of potency to reduce fine lines and wrinkles and also repair skin barrier. And the best part is it will suit all skin types. At least my skin, which is extremely dry and flaky and sensitive, it suits on me because I am using retinol. And let's talk about PDRN or sodium DNA present in it. It is nothing but a salmon sperm, and it's not like vegan virgin, whatever. It's not like vegan, or I don't know what to say about this. It comes from a fish or like a sea creature, and what it claims to have: improved elasticity, repairs your skin, and will also hydrates your skin. And the most shocking and interesting part for me is it also contains niacinamide, which is the powerhouse to reduce your pores, visibility of pores, I might say, and also regulate sebum production, brighten up your complexion, or remove any harsh or like hota na ki dark spots on your skin. And last but not the least, it also has like hyaluronic acid, which is the powerhouse of hydration, I can say, because it will make your skin plump, glowier, and radiant day by day, and also reduces dryness, which copper peptide might create, because hyaluronic acid is a humectant. I would give this 9 out of 10, because if you are like teenager or someone who wants to try retinol but afraid of their peeling and purging, then I would suggest you to try this or this one from Dr. Sheth's. But it is also a like retinol, like bakuchi oil present in it, but it is the safest version as compared to this one from Dr. Sheth's. Also, you can also give it a try, but I would say oily skin people will not enjoy this in summers at daytime, because it will create like greasy looking skin on their face. So in winters you will gonna love this. And I would say I have been using this for like 20-25 days, and it's almost finished. Like few droplets are left and it is finished. So if you want to like upgraded, then go for ordinary one. But if you want to just try this one because it has like this glowy texture, or like will create a skin barrier which looks glowier, healthier, then you must go for this one from Minimalist. It's their 10%. अगर सूट नहीं होता है तो आपको खरीदने की जरूरत है नहीं, बट इफ इट सूट्स यू देन इट्स अ विन विन सिचुएशन फॉर मी. बट प्राइस पॉइंट थोड़ा देख लेना. आई हैव बॉट इट इन लाइक अ सेल. लाइक आई हैव यूज्ड various products from Minimalist and have loved their product, so I wasn't in a confusion to buy this or not because I love their products. So I just order a bunch of their products, and shampoo haul or like shampoo from Minimalist review will also in a queue because I got that shampoo as a freebie and it's like this much. So yeah, if you like my video, do let me know in the comment section. Till then, stay safe, stay happy and bye. और please मेरे को नीचे बताओ कमेंट सेक्शन में कि आपको और किस चीज़ से रिलेटेड रिव्यू या कंपैरिजन या किस टाइप की वीडियो आपको चाहिए. डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब.